Ascii codes. What we mean by the Ascii codes? Let's understand the Ascii codes. To understand the Ascii codes, we are gonna do some examples here. Example number 1. 3 is less than 4. When you run the program, you will get true. How we know that 3 is less than 4 in Python? Look, when you simply write 3 is less than 4 in Colab or in Jupyter or in any other editor, when you run the program, you will get true in the final output. What is true? True is the Boolean form. The output is in the Boolean form because we are talking about the Boolean conditions. So the final output will be in the Boolean form. It is very much clear from here that yes, 3 is less than 4. So it is true. It is true. But what is the logic behind in Python? What is the technicality where we can say that yes, it is true that 3 is less than 4? There are some Ascii codes for each character and for each digits in computer memory. So let's do it. If you take the order of 3, you will get 51. The order of 4 is 52, which implies that 52 is greater than 51. Therefore, 3 is less than 4 is true. Look, these 51 and 52 are the Ascii codes. These are the Ascii codes of 3 and 4. The Ascii code of 3 is 51 and the Ascii code of 4 is 52. How to find the Ascii code in Python? Just write ORD. ORD means order. Order of 3. Don't forget, put it inside the quotes, in the double quotes or single quotes. When you run this in the Colab, you will get 51 in the final output. Similarly, when you write order of 4 inside the quotes, by running the program, you will get 52. So the Ascii code for the 3 in computer memory is 51. And for the 4, it is 52. So it is pretty clear from here that 52 is greater than 51. 52 is the Ascii code for 4 and 51 is the Ascii code for the 3. So 52 is greater than 51, which means that yes, 4 is greater than 3. Therefore, we can write that 3 is less than 4 is a true. When you run this expression in the Colab, you will get true for the final output. Its reason and technicality is here. This is the logic behind this answer. What is the logic? Logic is the Ascii codes of 3 and 4. The Ascii code of 3 is 51, the Ascii code of 4 is 52. So 51 is less than 52. Therefore, yes, 3 is less than 4. It is true. It will always give the output in the Boolean form. It can be true or it can be false, based on these Ascii codes in the computer memory. Example number 2. 3 times 4 is greater than 4 times 5, which returns false. How? This asterisk sign means the multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12 and 4 times 5 is 20. This expression means that 12 is greater than 20. Is it true? No, it is not true. It is false. 12 is not greater than 20. 12 is less than 20, not greater. Therefore, in the final output, you will get false. Your Boolean form will be false here. So let me show you the Ascii code logic behind it. As we know that to find the Ascii code, we are going to write order of 3 inside the quotes. When you run it in the Colab, you will get 51. And similarly, order of 4 inside the quote returns 52. Order of 5 inside the quotes returns 53. Which implies that 51 times 52 is less than 52 times 53. Therefore, 3 times 4 greater than 4 times 5 returns false. It is false. We already did this in the previous example. We need to find the Ascii codes of all the digits 3, 4, and 5. So to find the Ascii code, we are going to write order function. Order of 3 inside the quotes. Run the program in the Colab or in Jupyter or in any other editor. Your output will be 51. What is 51? 51 is the Ascii code for the 3 in the computer memory. Similarly, order of 4 inside the quotes will return 52. 52 is the Ascii code for the 4. Similarly, order of 5 inside the quotes will return 53, which is the Ascii code for the 5 in the computer memory. Now, According to this expression, what is the ASCII code of 3? The ASCII code of 3 is 51, and then times 4. What is the ASCII code of 4? The ASCII code of 4 is 52. 52, 4. What is the ASCII code of 4? ASCII code of 4 is 52. 52 times 53, because the ASCII code of 5 is 53. So 51 times 52 is less than 52 times 53. Not greater, not greater. Actually, this left side is less than the right side. Therefore, we can say that this expression, which is 3 times 4 greater than 4 times 5, is false. It is false. It is not true. The program will return false Boolean form. I repeat it. You will always get the output in the Boolean forms. These are simple Boolean conditions. It can be true or false. Depends on the given expression.